Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Periodontology series, where we cover all things perio. In today's lesson, we will talk about the surgical therapy in periodontology. Just like in the rest of this series, all the information that I've seen come up on exams are bolded in pink, so do try to remember those. So, surgical therapy is the second phase in periodontal treatment. It is meant to reduce or eliminate periodontal pockets, correct soft and hard tissue defects, regenerate periodontal tissue if possible, and place implants. This is also the stage in which one would perform endodontic therapy if needed. So let's talk about the flap preparation design. It is very important that you know that every flap should, in theory, have a wider base to make sure that the blood supply will not be put at risk. Now, the incision should be performed over intact bone and with rounded corners. It might be logical, but also keep in mind that you should